Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtreater.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is: the nurse assesses silence breath sounds, which one requires immediate medical attention, or silent who has option 1 Crackles, option 2 Rhonchi, option 3 Stridor, option 4 Wheezes. The correct answer of the question, answer 3 Stridor. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.